This unit is a 14-inch salt and pepper lace part. It's a C part, and it's 150% density. And yeah, wow, that's it, basically. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I like this box because it's really pretty and embossed and everything, but I'll give you all the rest of the specs later. Okay. The first thing they gave me is a card that's like a label. So you can label your wig with this, like write whatever it is and then stick this in there so that you know what your wig is, which is kind of cool. Then they gave me this scented thing. I don't know where to hang it, but it smells really good. Some kind of perfume scented thing that they gave me. And of course, they gave me one of my favorite things, which is a meltdown band. I love those. Hopefully, I won't need this for this particular unit, and I'll tell you why in a minute. And the wig is in this really nice mesh bag. So let me show you what it looks like. This unit is a 6x6, which means that it has 6 inches of lace in the front. It's a 6x6, and as I said, it's a lace part. It's a C part. It has a comb on this side, a comb on this side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band, okay? So we're gonna try this on and see what it looks like. So here we go. I'll put this on here. And just pull it down. I'm not gonna put the comb behind me yet because I'm not ready to do that. So this 6x6, now I'll tell you right now, with the elastic band on it, this fits very snug. And I have a 22-inch head. I think this wig is 22.5. I have a 22-inch head. So this particular unit, again, only has a little bit of lace in the front, as you can see. So you guys know I'm gonna pluck this here and probably over here as well. The part is 4 inches long. So it already has some curl to it, which is nice. It already has some curl. Let me show you what it looks like in the back. Here it is in the back. Again, she's 14 inches. She's a light yaki texture, 150% density, and 6x6 as far as the lace goes. So what I'm going to do with this unit is I am going to mold her. And if you guys don't know anything about my molding process, I have a video down below that will tell you how I mold my units. And I won't be doing that much to it because there's only 6x6 inches of lace here, but I will be molding this section right here. I'll be molding this hair right here, okay? So after I do that, I'm gonna come back and we're going to decide whether we even need to glue this little bit. So I'll be right back. All right, ladies, I have molded her down. I plucked her and I'm gonna put her on. So as I said, she's a she's a 6x6. So she's not a 13 by anything, she's a part. I'm just gonna pull her back just so we see what she looks like now that she's been plucked. And I have my face on. All right, so this is what the hairline is looking like, okay? That's what the hairline is looking like before I cut off this little piece. And I'm gonna cut off this little piece now. Some scissors so I can do this. And I'm gonna be in my mirror, so excuse me for being in my mirror. But I was gonna cut this off before I saw you guys, but I just didn't end up doing that. So now I'm gonna cut it off. And again, it's only 6x6, so it's not like there's that much to cut. So here we go. Just gonna cut her around all the things that I did here. All the plucking that I did around here. Yeah. I think I'm gonna cut this a little closer here. So a little closer as she could stand it. And yeah. So, yeah. There she is. So for the most part, there wasn't really much to do. Get the this last piece of lace off of here. It's not on my face. There really wasn't much to do with this one. So, which is good. Most human hair units that I get are 13 by something. This one isn't. This is just a lace part. So here she is without her lace. She looks real natural. She's very pretty. I'm gonna spray some of my Bubbles Remy in her because you guys know I love this stuff. It doesn't like give it a sheen or anything. It just kind of, I mean, it's good for if it's tangly. And I haven't really brushed it out to see if it's tangly yet. So I'm gonna get my brush. And see what we can do with this. Again, since she's not a 13 by anything, there's not a whole lot that you have to do with her on the sides either. Just brush her out. Now, I didn't put a wig grip on because I'm not going anywhere. But if I was, I would. And then I would take the comb in the back and I would hook it underneath the wig grip after I laid it down. But I think she's cute. She's got a teeny weeny bit of a swoop going on here. Not a whole heck of a lot, but she's got a teeny weeny bit of a swoop there. I think that makes her really cute. And I didn't have to curl her or anything, which was great. I didn't do anything but pluck her. I'm getting the hair out of this brush from all the plucking I did because you guys know me. I am not going out like that. Girlfriend has to pluck her units. And if it's possible to pluck them, I'm plucking them. Because I just like my hairline to be natural. I clean up a lot too. You know, so I clean up after I do everything. But yeah, look at this. Look at the hairline. I didn't put any powder on it. I didn't have to tint it. This lace is perfect. It plucked really nicely. It was really easy to pluck. It really was easy to pluck. But yeah, she's pretty. She's really pretty. And again, do the thing that the ladies always do. Nothing going on up here. Nothing going on up here. It's not glued at all. As you can see, not glued. Yeah. Okay, let me show you what she looks like in the back. I think she's adorable. I do. I think she's really adorable. And I'm glad that I didn't have to lay her down. Even though it's only 6 by 6, sometimes I would still do that. But I think the fact that the elastic band was already tightened enough for me that I didn't have to do that. And it also has adjustable straps, but I didn't have to adjust those. This wig fits me perfectly. I'm just going to put some powder in the part of this joint, and we're going to keep it moving. But yeah, this is nice. I like this. Now, as you guys know, since this isn't dark rooted, you guys know what I'm about to say. Since this isn't dark rooted, I'm not going to try to put a ton of powder in this part because I think it looks really odd on units that aren't dark rooted. But this one's dark enough. This wig is dark enough that I think it's okay. I don't think I need a lot of powder, so I'm not going to do that. And yeah, I might put a little in the front here. Just a little bit, but honestly, this wig is perfect. Perfecto. That's what this one is. Perfecto. Yeah, I like this. Really like this. Yeah. So, hey, that was quick. And there's really not anything else I have to say about this unit. I think she's gorgeous. I love the fact that she plucked easy. I love the swoop bang going on here. I love the fact that I didn't have to lay her down. I like the fact that she already has curls in her. I love the fact that she's a light yaki. What else can I say? She's 14 inches, which I also love because it's not too long for me. You know, ladies my age, we don't like to wear really, really long hair. Now, there are some gray units that are long that I will wear, as you guys have seen in the past from all my videos. But I think this is the perfect length. This 14-inch unit is great. Now, 16 would be probably perfect, and I think this one comes in 16. But this one's 14. And if I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I think it does. Anyway, this is beautiful. So if you guys are interested in this unit that I got from Luvme Hair, thank you Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video and working with me this time. I'm looking forward to working with you again so I can actually use this on the 13 by something that I hope to get next time. So you guys let me know what you think about this unit. Again, I will put all the specs in the description section. I may have to keep this one on the rest of the day because I think my husband needs to see me in this thing. What y'all think? I think my husband needs to see me in this gorgeous thing. Yep, we're going to lay it on him. All right, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more because there's going to be more coming up in the next couple of weeks, and especially in the next month or so. You guys know I'm making some changes, so just stick with me and pay attention. Put that subscription, not the subscription button, the notification button on so that you know what my changes are going to be coming up for the new year. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.